Hello guys, review OPPO A60, this version 8GB memory and 128GB storage in the purple color, the dark purple color, open box. In completation we have protected back cover, documentary, adapter for charging with quick charge, and Type-C cable. Okay, good completion with charger and protected cover. Double camera on the back side, display 6.67 inch, power button and wall buttons on the right side, left side slot, downside Type-C port, speaker and microphone. Turn on device, we have display HD resolution 90 Hz. Okay. Open settings and look Android version 14, Color OS version 14. Okay, Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 octa-core processor and 5000 mAh battery. Open Geekbench 6. We have GPU test, this CPU test results, and GPU we have Adreno 610. PUBG Mobile works only low graphic level. Okay, reload game reloading. We can play only low graphic. Settings and graphics only smooth or this level or this level or this. HD graphics doesn't support this device. This better mode. Okay, close this and open Antutu benchmark. Look, Antutu results, Antutu benchmark results, and now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.